See here in this problem, here by using the superposition theorem, so find the voltage drop across 3 ohms resistor. So according to the superposition theorem, the voltage is contributed by every source. So that is nothing but, so here the voltage drop across 3 ohms V0 equal to V1 plus V2. So here V1 is the voltage is contributed by 3 ampere source and V2 is the voltage contributed by 28 volt source, and this is the superposition theorem. Now how can you find the V1 and V2? So for that I am going to keep active one source and deactivate another sources. So first of all I am going to activate the 3 ampere source. So I am going to deactivate 28 volt source. So voltage source deactivation means short circuit. The circuit look like this. So this is the here the voltage is short circuited. Now due to this current source, now find the voltage drop across 3 ohms. So here at this node there are two branches are there. So in this branch 7 ohms are there. In this branch 4 ohms plus 3 ohms which are in series. Totally 7 ohms. So in this branch 7 ohms and in this branch 7 ohms. So the current will be divided into two equal powers at this node. So that is, so here I1 current and here I2 current. So both are equal because the resistance are same. So I1 equal to 1.5 amperes and here also 1.5 amperes. So in this branch current is 1.5 amperes are there. Now the voltage drop across 3 ohms is, by the Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So I in this branch is 1.5 amperes passing through 3 ohm resistance. So that's equal to 4.5 volts. So this is the V1. So here we got 4.5 volts. Now find the V2 also. So V2 is contributed by 28 volt source. So keep it is active. Here current source deactivation means open circuit. So current sources are always open circuited. The circuit look like this. So here current source is open circuited. Now find the voltage contributed by 28 volt source. So here find the current in this branch. So let assume that this is current I is passing. So here the total resistance is 3 plus 4 plus 7. Nothing but 14 ohms. So by using Ohm's law, V equal to IR. So I equal to V is 28 volts divided by R is 14 ohms. So nothing but 2 amperes current is passing in this circuit. Now here the current is 2 amperes are there. So by using Ohm's law we get V equal to 3 ohms into 2 amperes, nothing but 6 volts was contributed by 28 volt source. So this is V2. Now here we got V2 is 6 volts. Totally we got 10.5 volts drop was getting place across 3 ohm resistors. So this voltage was contributed by 3 ampere source and 28 volt source. So total voltage drop is 10.5 volts, and this is the required answer for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.